So have you finished the homework on page 10? Let's take a look at the answer. So for number 1, an adjective that means ill. The answer is sick, which is S-I-C-K. Sick. Number 2, the question is, it's no surprise that. The correct answer is no wonder. No wonder. Number 3, competition between two people. The answer is rivalry. Rivalry. Number 4, the time when you were a child. The answer is childhood. Childhood. Number 5, a meeting of people, for example, family. We call it a gathering. A gathering. Number 6, people who are fully grown. Fully grown just means 完全长大. Okay, so we call that an adult. Adult. Number 7, knowing about or being conscious of something. Conscious means to be aware of something. Okay. Number 7, the answer is, of course, aware of. Aware of. Number 8, a school where children can live during the year. Okay. We call it a boarding school. 寄宿学校, boarding school. Okay. Number 9, think that somebody or something is important. We call it value. Value. Okay, 价值. Or in this case, number 9 here means 珍惜. Okay. Number 10, divided something between 2 or more people. The answer is shared, which is spelled S-H-A-R-E-D. Number 11, try to hurt somebody else. The answer is fight. F-I-G-H-T. And number 12, a group of friends. The answer is a gang. A gang, which is G-A-N-G, which means a group. 党派. Okay, so once you finish this part, there are also some useful personality words that you can see over here. So, jealous, I think most people know that. Anxious, 焦虑. Ambition, which means like 野心. Generous, rebellious, which we talked about. 叛逆, are you rebellious? Sociable, reliable, responsible, sensible, competitive, talkative, aggressive. Aggressive just means 非常的就是有野心的 aggressive. Sensitive, unfriendly, insecure means you feel unsafe, 没安全感. Impatient, 没有耐心. And the last one, immature, which means 不成熟. So if you don't know any of these words, you can definitely put it in your class log today. Now, apart from all this, we are also going to take a look at some personality words later. So let's continue with that. Okay, so for now, we're going to take a look at the exercise part of this lesson. And today we're going to talk about personality traits, which is about you. So how do you feel about yourself? What kind of a person are you? Now, in the attached files or in Moodle, you'll be able to watch 2 videos. One video is called The 5 Personality Traits, which is pretty interesting. You can take a look at. And the second video has like almost 100 different adjectives to describe personality. Now, let's take a look at some that I thought of on the top of my head. So, personality traits. Traits just means 特征, okay? For example, number 1, sensitive. Sensitive, 敏感的. Are you a sensitive person? Now, with all these adjectives, you got to use the sentence form, are you? Because they're all adjectives, that's why. Okay, are you optimistic? Optimistic, that means 乐观, optimistic. Optimistic. Pessimistic, pessimistic, outgoing, easygoing, 外观外向 and 随和 okay? Pessimistic means 悲观 Emotional just means what we call an EQ okay? 我很情绪化 Generous, which means 很大方的 Or a lot of students ask me this word, stingy. It's pronounced with a D. Stingy just means 很小气 Are you stingy? Frugal. Frugal means 节俭的 A lot of people in Taiwan are very frugal, right? They like to save money, right? Okay, let's go on. Curious, stubborn, 很固执的 Active, lazy, and then introvert and extrovert. Introvert is what we call 内向 and extrovert just means 外向 So in the video, you probably see some of these vocabulary, and these is just to help you point out those words. Now don't forget to also click on the subtitles so you can get the English subtitle while you watch the video. Now, here's the exercise. I'd like you guys to just go through the videos very quickly and write down all the keywords that you don't know about personality under the keyword part of your class log. Okay? And of course, you need to look up the word so you can learn the word. Okay? So that is a pretty basic exercise you can do, and I think that will probably take you 15 or maybe more time to complete. And that brings us to the end of our video for this session. Now, as I mentioned before, a lot of you are probably still, doing other things for other classes. So remember to watch the videos because your class log is about to be due next week. So make sure you should have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 videos. 6 video class logs ready. And you can send them to my email at youcreator@gmail.com whenever you're ready. Some of you already finished the poster. You can send that to me as soon as you finish also. I look forward to get your work, and we will see you next week because this Friday is also an extended session for you to put in more time into your assignments for the book cover and also the midterm homework, okay? So I hope you make good use of this class time and make sure that you finish everything on time and submit on time. So we will see you around next week.